chemical bonding. Attraction between constituents, that is component along internuclear axis, is known as bond or chemical bond or chemical bonding. Chemical bond is of the several types, out of which we have to study especially ionic or electrovalent bond, covalent bond, coordinate bond and metallic bond. First of all, we will discuss about ionic or electrovalent bond. Electrovalent bond or ionic bond. Third type of bond is formed between metal and non-metal due to transfer of electron. To complete its object, non-metal acquires appropriate number of electrons in its outermost shell and converted into anion. On other hand, metal loses appropriate number of electrons from its outermost shell to acquire the electronic configuration just like nearest noble gas. So this process is in several states. For example, physical state of metal is solid. Suppose we have sodium metal. When it is heated, then it does not convert into liquid but directly into vapor phase. Na is solid. On heating, it will converted into gaseous state. So some energy is required for this process. Evaporation. Now, accordingly, as the definition of ionization enthalpy, energy required to remove an electron from outermost shell of the atom in gaseous state is known as ionization enthalpy. So during configuration of sodium, we have Ka say 281. Atomic number of sodium is 2. Atomic number of sodium is 11. On distribution of electron, we have 281. Outermost shell contains 1 electron, so sodium will lose its outer electron and converted into cation. The loss of electron is termed as ionization enthalpy. So now Na gaseous state minus E, loss of 1 electron. This process is known as ionization enthalpy. Thus, sodium ion is obtained. On other hand, physical state of chlorine is gas, but it is molecular form. So we have to dissociate it into atomic form. Dissociation. Energy required to dissociate the chlorine molecule into its atom known as dissociation energy. 2Cl. Here Cl is in the atomic form. Atomic number of chlorine is 17, 287. So to complete its octet, chlorine will gain 1 electron. The gain of electron is especially known as electron gain enthalpy. So Cl gaseous state plus E, electron gain enthalpy. Enthalpy. Thus Cl minus chloride ion is obtained. Now two types of opposite ions, Na plus and Cl minus, are interacted to each other and form electrovalent bond, that is ionic bond. So by this manner ionic bond is obtained. For each ionic bond, process is similar. Electron will gain or loss always in the form of gaseous state. In each process, some energy is required. Total amount of energy which is released during the formation of ionic bond is known as Barn-Haber cycle. This process is known as Barn-Haber cycle, and total energy which is released during the formation of ionic bond or electrovalent bond, included all the steps, is known as lattice energy. The energy released when 1 mole ionic compound or electrovalent compound is obtained from its constituents, that is from appropriate cation and anion, is termed as lattice energy. And all this process is a Barn-Haber cycle. Lattice energy
होगी कितने ले रहे हैं?
energy released when 1 mole ionic or electrovalent compound is formed from its respective cation and anion. Now some features, that is quality of ionic compound. Compound having ionic bond or electrovalent bond are known as ionic compound or electrovalent compound. Some features means quality. Property of ionic compound. First, it is solid. Second, its melting point and boiling point
भैया लेते जाए
are high. C. It is soluble in polar solvent like water, alcohol, ether, it is bad conductor in solid state while conductor either in fluid state or in solution. Last, it does not show isomerism